What do you like about my shot list?
I sort of like how it's quick. It seems like with you've got a lot of shots that you can play with, and about how like you can you can quickly you sort of keep the same. You can sort of cut between different shots
Yeah.
easily.
What do you dislike about my shot list?
Maybe you could use maybe a bit more range of shots. Like there's lots of the where it just says mid shot and all
Yeah.
that, and then even when you go downstream, close up. I suppose it's for an advert, it's probably decent, I think like that. But you could maybe think of using a variety shot so it just doesn't look like it's just
Okay.
a bit boring cuts like that.
What do you like about my storyboards?
I like how it gets to the point
Mhm.
of what's going to be in each advert, each part of the advert, so you sort of know what's going to be going on.
Yeah. What do you dislike about my advert? About my storyboards?
Well, apart from the drawings being appalling, um, maybe I think maybe you could have put a bit more writing on just to explain it a little bit more,
Okay.
like in more detail.
What do you like about my script?
I think it gets to the point and it's sort of like good in terms of it says like it sort of gets people invested by asking the audience questions and getting into saying this is this and being quite short and snappy.
Mhm. What do you dislike about my script?
Um, Maybe you could have included more. Maybe you could have described them more about the toothbrush.
Yeah.
So like you've only got the one sentence really in there, and then you go head to the supermarket. Maybe you could have explained more in detail about what the different parts of the toothbrush is and all that, and like getting to say big up the toothbrush more.
Okay. What do you like about my sketch?
I'm gonna scroll down a bit more. Um, it's sort it sort of gets to it does in a way get to the point of what it's about, and sort of gives a small idea of what you're gonna use for it, what you're gonna do for it.
What do you dislike about about my rough sketch?
Well, once again, apart from the appalling drawings, it doesn't really. There's not much there of it, so it's sort of like that you could have done with maybe trying to imitate drawing a bit of the bamboo in the background instead of just writing there's going to be bamboo in the background, and maybe even write the name of the company or do stuff like that. So it makes it just more like you know what's gonna you sort of know more about what you can picture it more in your head as opposed to that which is quite vague.
Okay. Thank you.